Ethereum keeps on holding its crown of the biggest altcoin in a significant manner. The advanced resource keeps on excess in the discussions of the crypto market, notwithstanding the tepid reaction to the consolidation, which certainly is very critical. While pundits have been vocal about ETH's momentary cost projections, maximalists keep on support the biggest altcoin. Will Ethereum in a real sense arise to walk to new highs whenever sooner, which generally is genuinely critical? Or on the other hand, will Ethereum generally lose its crown to especially other possible digital currencies? This review will get all beautiful your questions arranged. Lock in as we translate practical value expectations of ETH for 2022 and the years to come. Ethereum crypto value expectation for Q4. While the consolidation for the most part is currently finished, it is as yet getting gigantic reaction by the pundits in the business, which basically is very critical. The pundits believe that it generally is presently a backward capital duty framework. Furthermore, that it supplements the pockets of the sort of rich at the expense of little truly capital holders, which is genuinely huge. On the other hand, Ethereum's number of addresses in misfortune certainly has arrived at a one-month certainly high of 39,899,297.429. Assuming cynicism immerses, ETH's cost could stagger down to $1,446.16, or so they in a real sense thought. On the off chance that the organization sees a decrease in blockage and gas charges following the formative drives, Ethereum would find more up-to-date purchasers and activities taking on the organization. In truly such a case, ETH's cost could chug up to $2,085.36. Conversely, a direct pace of value impetus could close the year at $1,761.38 in an unpretentious manner. ETH coin value expectation for 2023, which is genuinely critical. In the event that ETH finds consistent ascent in brokers and financial backers, we can essentially expect 2023 to start on a bullish note, which is genuinely huge, which could drive in every practical sense more coalitions, receptions, and financial backers, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Wherefore, the cost of ETH could end the exchange for 2023 at $3,775.29 in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, on a negative note, the altcoin could end its exchange for the year at $1,918.99. All things considered, obliged by straight force, the very normal cost could for the most part find its base at $2,847.14 in a fundamentally significant manner. Ethereum value gauge for 2024. Or so they essentially thought. The developing noticeable quality of Ethereum could in every way that really matters welcome worldwide acknowledgement and carry out of ETFs and spot ETFs. This could invite a more extensive crowd, who could push the cost to more noteworthy levels in an exceptionally enormous manner, emerging which, ETH cost could head towards its especially expected high of $6,207.09 toward 2024 in an unobtrusive manner's end. On the fundamentally other hand, if the explicitly confirms for the most part run the bulls, the cost could rut to an essentially least of $3,195.89 in an essentially significant manner. Progressively, a harmony in trading tensions could land the cost at $4,720.60, which generally is very critical. Ethereum value expectation for 2025. In the event that the Ethereum environment basically centers around supporting its endeavors, focus on new tasks, improvements, and organizations to upgrade the organization in a sort of significant manner explicitly, with more current updates connected with Ethereum 2.0 like leaving the POW in a significant manner. Additionally, in the event that versatility is sufficient and ETH 2.0 becomes easy to use throughout the long term, which is genuinely huge, ETH cost is expected to sort of hit its limit of $10,642.40. Nonetheless, in the event of a potential accident because of any entirely potential guidelines, vulnerability might make the ETH tumble to $5,366.25, which is very critical. All things considered, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the very normal cost could settle at $8,013.67. ETH value expectation. Factors like fruitful change to POS and developing effort could lean stars for the convention in an unobtrusive manner. With a lift to the wistful conviction of financial backers and brokers, the cost of ETH could impel to $2,085 toward the finish of 2022, or so they truly thought. On the drawback, expanding foot among financial backers and absence of updates could check the cost to bottoms at $1,450. The organization began to work on the 30th of July 2015. As of then, 72 million coins explicitly were stamped in an unobtrusive manner. This reports for around 65% of the complete circling supply in April 2020 in an unobtrusive way. The convention deals with the POW agreement instrument and will explicitly be changing to the POS system. This is supposed to happen at some point by mid of 2022 amazingly. 2016. ETH started ascending in January and arrived at a cost top at $15 in spring. Following this, on account of the Ethereum certainly hard fork, the cost fell to by and large times reasonably lower, subsequent to fluctuating somewhere in the range of $8 and $14 for quite a long time. ETH cost fundamentally rose to $15 by September, following its expansion to the rundown of upheld resources. Ethereum basically experienced a DDoS assault on September 22nd, which came about in a downtrend that went on until year-end 2017, which is genuinely huge. For Ethereum, 2017 truly was a bullish year, as in the initial 2 months, the coin made a strong run at $23 and afterward rose to $95 by April. One more cost basically push in a real sense occurred in June, with the coin contacting $400 or so they generally thought. 2019, which is very huge. Ethereum for the most part was exchanging from $100 minus $140 toward the start of 2019, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. In April, the primary vertical pattern started. Ethereum started to rise quickly and basically hit $300 in June. After a pullback, Ethereum started expanding again in December and hit the $280 mark. 2020, Ethereum really started its exchange for 2020 with an exchanging cost of $143.85. ETH rose to $268.07 by February, yet declined to $117.48 by mid of spring in the midst of the flare-up of coronavirus. The value spiked to $459.76 by September, also genuinely further impelled to $609.75 toward the finish of November, which is very huge, while the cost ventured out with the beginning of December. Notwithstanding, the year essentially was ended at $706.14 in an every practical sense, large way. 2021, which explicitly is very huge. ETH cost started the year with a sticker price of $737.71. An euphoric run took the cost to $2,000 in February. It then, at that point, took off to a record high of $4,380 on the 12th of May in a significant manner. Nonetheless, an accident on the 19th of May left the cost at $1,782.52 incredibly. It truly was on the 5th of September when the cost in every way that really matters soared by 70% to $4,000. What is Ethereum 2.0? Beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum 2.0 explicitly is a refreshed adaptation of the current Ethereum blockchain, which generally means to expand the productivity, adaptability, and speed of the Ethereum organization. What is gas and what it does do? Gas is the little sort of work handled on the Ethereum organization. Gas estimates how much work to be finished by excavators to remember exchanges for block in a significant manner certainly. What will the extremely greatest cost of ETH